Welcome back. We wasn't ready for this, but I had prepared for it. Let me just give you a quick update. So March of last year, what happened is AMD rally right up pre-market after hours was trading right up to I think like 96, 93, $96 a share. I was up over $2,000. When they reported, you know what happened? That that stock tanked. I cut my losses, and when I cut my losses, I said to myself, I will never duplicate this mistake. Around this time, early in stock, after hours again, pushed up, pushed up, right up 70 from $72 from 172 to 178. And guess what? Stock was rallying, but guess what? After a report, that thing tanked. Welcome back to the channel, please. Again, let's go over what is most significant in the market and how can you protect your portfolio going forward. Because again, the president went ahead today and informed us that next week he will put in some drastic measures in regards to semiconductors. We all know what semiconductors is. They are the major hype of the market rally right now. The all-time highs we have been getting for weeks, for weeks to come, weeks that pass. They are the reason why the Nvidia, the AMD, they are the reason why the market was rallying to all-time highs. And now we're in a pattern where we're going to give most of that back up. Starting this afternoon, you saw that Nasdaq was red today after yesterday run up again to all-time high. We were red today. After hours, we pulled back over 200 points, and tomorrow, worse to come. Next week, worse to come when the president announced how many tariffs he's going to put on other stock. We saw that Nvidia respond, not Nvidia, but we saw that Intel responded to that, and Intel went up because he wants most of the chips to be made in the United States of America. So again, welcome back to the channel. Let's go over what happened this afternoon. Super microcomputer pull on back way back because of worse than expected earnings and plus guidance. And also, that's not even it. We have Snap that pulled back tremendously. So there was a lot of bad earnings this afternoon. And also, nothing other than AMD pulled on back too. We saw that they were trading all the way up onto $180 just a couple minutes ago. And now they pulled all the way back to $164 a share right now. The RSI can indicate, the MACD indicate. And if you think that we pull on back, just wait until tomorrow. The worst is yet to come. But the major stock that I'm looking forward to buy with this pullback is nothing other than Meta. Why? I missed out on Meta because Meta was trading 690 when this reported and pushed all the way up. I missed out on $80 per share, but time will tell because I'm definitely going to get some shares when the market going back up. And now we can see that Meta is gradually pulling back. And tomorrow, I'm not sure if you remember, but let's just give you a quick synopsis. So August of last year, let's find August 6th. We're still in December. Let's look at the time frame for a year ago. So August 6, 10, 9, 8, right here. August 28, August 7, right here. So let's go on a time frame of 3 years to get a better understanding. So last year, 24, 8, here we go, 8, 19, 8, 5, right here. Last year, market rally all the way from here, push on all the way up here. And here come August 6th. And what we did, we pull on all the way back to tariffs low. So this low is where we pull on back last year, August 6th to come tomorrow. Why again? Because some bad news fester in the market. And we did not rally until in December. Again, right here, this is December. That's January, December. Where is December? December. Right here. This is December. We never recover until December when Donald Trump went in January and Tesla and Donald Trump rally the market. And guess what? Here come tariffs, pull us all the way back down here. And guess what? There was a pause in tariff. We went all the way up. And what happened now? Tomorrow is August 6th. I'm not saying that the market is going to pull back drastically, but I can tell you that last year on August 6th, NASDAQ pulled back tremendously. Influencing factors. What happened this afternoon? We got so much missed earnings that market is going to price it in. Are we getting any interest rate cut to come? We don't know. We're not sure about that. So it wouldn't come to me as a surprise if NASDAQ pulled back tremendously tomorrow. 300, 400, 500 points pullback. Because again, this is something that happened before in the summer. And we never recover until December of the same year. So just to take that into consideration, we saw that Supermicro Computer plumb 15%, Snap plumb 15%, AMD plumb. Why all of these stocks are pulling back? Again, Rivian also plumbed, Lucid plumbed. So a lot of stocks are giving up most of what they earned. Most of what they earned, we saw that they're all pulling back. And after hours into tomorrow morning to when market open, we're going to see another tremendous pullback in the stock market. But what can we do now? I would strongly suggest take some profit, short-term investors, long-term investors, buy the dips. That's all you can do. Average yourself down because I have some stocks too. And if they continue to sink, I'm going to average down. But all I'm doing right now is for tomorrow, I'm going to focus on market movement. And then I will act accordingly. But that is all I have for you for today. Where earnings is concerned, we still have a lot more earnings. Nvidia still haven't report yet. Tomorrow there is no major information where economics data is concerned in the market. And tomorrow we still have earnings to come. So let's see, Wednesday, which is the 6th again. These are just contributing factors referring to the market. That market is going to pull back. So we have no earnings on this scheduled day. So tomorrow, Wednesday, there's no earnings expected. Wait, let's see. Is that really true? No, it's not. So on the 6th, we have earnings coming out. We got, wait, let's get some update. There we go. So we have Disney tomorrow. We have Spotify. We have DoorDash. We have McDonald's that's reporting tomorrow to be precise, August 6th. Yes. So we have a lot of earnings. Airbnb, this is going to be my number one watch for tomorrow. Airbnb, and there's so much earnings coming out tomorrow. So Coca-Cola, so I can say to you, stay tuned. I will be here. I will be updating you accordingly throughout the day, what's going on in the market, and how can you better position yourself to benefit these from these reports as they present themselves in our backyard. But for now, I want to leave you with one thing to say. Before you think about investing in any company whatsoever out there, do your due diligence and never ever listen to anyone. Do your homework, know what's going on in the market before you ever think about buying any company, because as they sink, you don't want to sink with them. But when they rise, you want to rise with them. Why? When you do your homework, you're going to know what to invest in. I chose not to buy AMD even though the hype was on it, because I remember what happened in March and I never want to go through that again, where while the companies sink, I sunk with them. And then I stay bag holding. I'm not bag holding any company while they profit tremendously from me. So that's just my two thought for this afternoon. But again, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned and let me know how can I help you in the stock market in times like these. So stay tuned, like and subscribe.